The Dallas Garden School is proud to announce the launch of the 2024 North Texas Garden Planner, a new and improved version of our best-selling annual wall calendars. Like the calendars, the planner provides detailed planting windows for your favorite vegetables and flowers, plus lots of educational content to build your gardening skills. Each monthly calendar is also now twice as large, so that you can keep your planting records right inside the planner itself. Featuring 44 full-color smudge-proof pages of content and reference charts, the new planner is easier to use thanks to a lay-flat spiral coil binding. There are even gridded pages for planning out your own garden season by season, and an example garden for inspiration. It gets even better because now each planner ships individually wrapped, making it easier for gifting for friends, family, neighbors, and coworkers. This one-of-a-kind planner makes gardening in North Texas and beyond easier and more enjoyable.